Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix enable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a new software update. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to close this page, and after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds. Let me show you here guys. I'm connected with Wi-Fi. Just simply I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi, and let me show you here guys if it's working or not. As you can see guys, it's not working for me guys. It's showing it unable to check for update. Okay guys, so you have to turn on Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay guys, and then go back and then check if it's working or not. So let me show you here guys if it's working or not. So as you can see guys, it's working properly here. If you don't have some internet issue and still you are facing the error, then open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general. From here you have to go to date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Then go to VPN and device management, and you can easily see here downloaded profile that you have previously downloaded. Just simply remove that profile, and after that try to check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And upon saying this guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings again, then tap on general again, then you have to scroll it down, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then you have to reset all setting, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem is still exists there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the setting, tap on your Apple ID, you have to sign out your Apple ID and turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then sign in your Apple ID again, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.